sobrang thankful ako dahil napakabihira na nung pagkakataon na makakita ng isang beautiful person raised by your beautiful family.
Come closer, come closer, come closer to me now. Can't wait any longer. Come closer to me now. Oh, what you do to me? Oh, what you do to me?
Lahat po tayo may mga kanya-kanyang unique na love story. And I find the love story of Jay and Sassy equally unique. Kakaiba. Kasi matagal hinintay, talagang katakot-takot na lakas ng loob ang hinanap para humantong sa kung nasaan tayo ngayon.
My whole world, come closer to me now. I've waited forever. Come closer to me now. Oh, what you do to me? Oh, what you do to me?
Kaya Jay and Sassy, yan po yung challenge namin para sa inyong dalawa. Kayo po, magmahalan, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do your part.